Did you know it takes an average of 10 to 15 years to develop a new medicine? That's longer than most people spend in school. It's a surprisingly long and complex process, especially for complex medicines. These are not your everyday pills. Complex medicines are designed to treat serious and often life-threatening conditions like cancer, HIV, and Alzheimer's disease. These medicines are not simply variations of existing treatments. They are often groundbreaking, involving new technologies and approaches. Think gene therapy, personalized medicine, and targeted therapies. These advancements require extensive research and rigorous testing to ensure both safety and effectiveness. The long development timeline might seem daunting, but it's crucial to understand why it takes so long. We're talking about potentially life-saving treatments here. This is not something we can afford to rush. The journey from a scientist's idea to a patient's bedside is paved with years of dedicated research, meticulous testing, and stringent regulatory hurdles. It's a testament to the commitment of researchers, healthcare professionals, and regulatory bodies to deliver safe and effective treatments to those in need. Complex diseases often involve intricate biological mechanisms. Think of the immune system attacking the body in autoimmune diseases or the uncontrolled cell growth in cancer. These are not simple problems with easy solutions. Complex medicines aim to address these intricate issues at their root. They are designed to target specific molecules or pathways involved in the disease process, offering more precise and effective treatments. While traditional medicines often focus on managing symptoms, complex medicines aim to modify the disease course itself. This could mean slowing down progression, putting the disease into remission, or even offering a cure in some cases. The development of such sophisticated treatments takes time. It requires extensive research to understand the disease, identify suitable targets, and design molecules that can effectively interact with those targets. The lengthy development timeline for complex medicines often leads to misconceptions and impatience. Some people question the need for such extensive testing, especially when patients are desperately waiting for new treatments. It's important to remember that safety is paramount. Rushing a drug to market without proper testing can have devastating consequences. History is unfortunately replete with examples of drugs that showed initial promise but later caused unforeseen side effects. Another misconception is that drug companies are deliberately delaying development to maximize profits. While it's true that pharmaceutical companies are businesses, they also have a moral and ethical obligation to patient safety. The reality is that drug development is a high-risk, high-reward endeavor. Many promising drugs fail during development, and companies invest billions of dollars with no guarantee of success. The long development timeline reflects the complexities of ensuring that a new medicine is both safe and effective for patients. The development of a new medicine, especially a complex one, is a multi-stage process that can be broadly divided into three main phases: research, testing, and regulatory approval. The research phase is where it all begins. Scientists work tirelessly in labs, conducting experiments to understand the disease and identify potential drug targets. This phase involves extensive preclinical testing, often using cell cultures and animal models, to evaluate the safety and efficacy of a potential drug candidate. Once a promising drug candidate is identified, it moves into the testing phase, which involves a series of clinical trials. These trials are carefully designed to evaluate the safety and efficacy of the drug in humans. The final stage is regulatory approval. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, is responsible for reviewing and approving new drugs. The FDA rigorously evaluates all data from clinical trials to ensure the drug meets strict standards for safety and efficacy.